تمثيل like this.
No, like it.
Wisdom. My favorite. My favorite. This one.
Yeah, we're at the famous goat tree here in Morocco. Yeah. Oh, it's harder, eh? What up, people? This is Bunjo. We're on an excursion today. A Marrakesh excursion. We're going to Essaouira or something like that. Essaouira. No, Essaouira. I don't know what the town's called, but it's by the water. It's a coastal town, and we're going to see some goats on a tree. Goats on a tree. And right now we're on the highway here. Look at this. Wow. And we're driving through the desert. On the way here, man, it's a sight. You just see all these sand dunes everywhere. It's like pure desolate desert. Nothing in sight. A few olive groves like this one in front of us, but nothing else. Just dunes on dunes on dunes, sand on sand on sand. Now let's go. Our first stop was here in this little pit stop on the side of the road to get a coffee. Look at this little art here. Wow. I don't know what it's called. Don't know where I am. Here we are. We're at the famous goat tree here in Morocco. Look at these guys. Just on the side of the road. It's pretty crazy. It's pretty crazy. Look at these guys. Look at these guys. They have to get... And yes, you're supposed to pay these guys. I don't know if they put the goats in there for you or what happens, but there's goats in a tree in Morocco. Insane.
Yes, please, come closer. You can take the picture. If you need it, not a problem. Okay. Argan tree.
They're making argan oil.
Okay.
Exactly.
Not a problem. Argan tree, okay, just in Morocco, just in the region, Essaouira, that means the region, good quality. As you see, this is the fruit argan. It's a green exactly like olives, okay? After that, yellow, and after brown.
Right.
And we harvest the summer, July, August, okay? And for extract argan oil, we need more steps. The first step is peeling. You can see the light is different, the shells from the nut. As you see like that. This is the nut for next steps, and this is the shells for animals, for goats, for it.
For goats.
Okay? Okay?
The goat food. And the little nut is the oil, and the shell is for the goats. It's pretty crazy. Here they are. Look at this. Here, what? Let me give this a go. And these are the. Yeah, it doesn't smell like nothing. No smell, huh? No smell. Here, let me try. Here. Let me see this one. Oh, it's harder, eh?
That's hot.
There we go, huh? And it's like that, huh? You got the beautiful fruit in the middle. That's it. That's how you make argan oil.
Yes, please, your attention. Okay, as you see, the bracket the nut to get small almond in this size. This is the second shells. Second shells for fire. And this one almond, this is for extract argan oil. We have two types of argan oil. We have edible one and cosmetic oil. Different between them, for edible one we need the almond roasted, but for cosmetic, no roasted. And for 1 liter for argan oil we need 40 kilograms of fruit to give 2 kilo and half the almond. But for 1 liter cosmetic we need double quantity, 80 kilograms of fruit to give 5 kilograms of almond. That's why cosmetic more expensive little bit than argan oil. But cosmetic oil is amazing for hair, face, body, also for baby skin, because natural one we don't see any flavor. And edible one is very healthy for stability, diabetic and cholesterol.
Right.
Okay?
Yeah, so this is the finished product here. It's very hard. I don't know. You guys want to smell it?
Oh my
Yeah.
Yes,
It
sir.
smells like kind of like nut, huh? It's argan oil. Yeah. It's nice, huh? It smells very nutty, huh? Very nutty. It kind of smells nutty, huh? What would you say? What would you say? It smells nutty, eh?
هذاك العسل ديال الشجر ديال النخيل ديال الشجر ديال اوكي.
Yeah, so it's like the middle one's like argan oil, the brown one, and you dip your bread in it. It actually tastes like peanut butter. It's actually not so bad at all. But we got the Moroccan whiskey. Did you try any yet?
Not yet.
Not yet.
I'm taking deep breath first.
Yeah? How's your hashish tea? It's not working. It's not working. It's not bad. This one tastes like peanut butter. Exactly like peanut butter, yeah. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. So we made it to the windy seaside of Morocco, the town of Essaouira. Look at this. Wow. We got the sea, we got some guys enjoying their time. Beautiful waves. Essaouira. Essaouira. This is the best place. Look at this, the Moroccan flags. Moroccan flag, Morocco flag, Morocco flag. They have lots of flags here for sure. For sure, for sure. Well, we're gonna go check out the Medina, La Medina here, and see what's really good. I don't know. Check it out for ourselves. Let's go see the boats, the shipyard here. We got the shipyard. When you Google Essaouira or do your research on Essaouira, the seaside city of Morocco, you'll see these boats everywhere. And this is the little shipyard that I guess they repair them. Look how beautiful they are, huh? And this guy's just repairing one now, the bottom of one. And there's so many of them. I want to see them in the water, but they got that fortress. It's like a walled city. So along the coast is a wall here, and it's a walled city, another walled city. Citadel is a big thing here to see, apparently. I don't even know what a citadel is. But here we go. So here's where all the boats get to relax. The boatyard. Look at, they even got little motors on them, I think. But it's nice. Look at this city. It's kind of crazy. The smell is bad. It smells like paint fumes mixed with like dead fish. Mixed with a whole bunch of things. But yeah, it's crazy. Look at this. Look how many boats there are. Whoa. So, yeah, he said.
Come ahead.
Yes.
Don't work.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. So he's saying that to get this boat to look like this boat, brand new, it takes 1 month. So he's gonna take me out. Let's see what this gave. He's going to show me where they work on the boats. Very friendly people. And he speaks French. Yeah, I speak English. English. No parlez-vous français. It's beautiful, huh? What is your name? No? We're going to check out the old workers. English language barrier. We got the Moroccan dog, the Moroccan cat. And here it is, La Baraka, Al Baraka. Let's go see this. Whoa, this is a pure workshop. Look at this. This is brand new. This is crazy, huh? Wow. Real frame and everything, huh? Oh, the cut, the joint here. Oh, yeah. Show me the craftsmanship here. Look at that, huh? It's beautiful, huh? It's beautiful. I'm gonna take a picture here, and we're gonna take a picture, but we're in the workshop. And there's the stencil they use to cut, to make all the cuts. So now we're moving on to the woodworking part. I mean, away from the woodworking part, into the, I think this is gonna be where they put all the metal on it. It's windy. The tour guide said it was gonna be windy. There's fish in that, huh? Ooh, see, look at those big ones. Same big ones, huh? Fishing. Climb? All right, let's do this. Let's climb. He wants me to climb up here. Let's get up here, huh? Look at this. The navel here. Look at the water from the ocean. Whoa. Incredible, huh? Incredible place here. Essaouira. Yeah, that's where we're going. Yeah, so he showed me the inside the yard, and it's beautiful here. We're in Morocco. We're in Essaouira, and he showed me. But guess what? Dun 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 dun. You had to pay. If you want to play, you gotta pay here. And every tour is not free, my friends. So remember that. Just because, you know, you always have belief. You always believe that they're gonna be nice and that it's coming from the heart. But at the end of the day, it's all about the ching ching. And that's disappointing. Very disappointing. But here we go. Let's go check out the rest of the city. It was cool to get a shipping yard tour. I mean, it was worth it, €2, whatever, but he wanted more. He wanted like 400. Come on. I didn't even pay that much for this trip. Come on. Yeah, so they got a bunch of fish markets here, as you can see. I don't know if you can try like a fresh oyster or something. I don't know. I'm gonna maybe ask a guy. I've seen a guy up here where they had ice and lemon. Maybe you try a fresh oyster. I have no clue. But like, look at this place. It's crazy, yeah? It's kind of cool. It's cool. It's a way different vibe. This is definitely a different vibe. Like different. But it's cool from Marrakesh. Nice little change. I don't know. See, this is what I was talking about. This stuff here. You could try one of these, but I don't know. I don't know. So I'm gonna try one of these. Yeah. This is oyster. Look how he opens. It's right in front of the castle or the wall. Let's see. Oh, there it is, huh? First time trying an oyster. Yeah, there you go, huh? What? Oh, that's the only one. It's okay. Tastes weird. What? No, I don't want. I'm good. Cheers. Yeah. Cheers. It's good. Delicious. Delicious. I'm done with one.
How many did you eat?
Only one. That's all I want. I can't have so much more. So yes, we paid, how much was it? 7 dirham for one oyster. Is it okay? It is.
Yeah, so we paid 7, it's meaning 7 cents.
Yeah, so how much would it be in Italy? For a fresh oyster like that?
If you go to Sicily, they serve it with glasses of not champagne, but prosecco.
Yeah.
10 euros.
10 euros? Ooh, and we got one for 70 cents. Yeah, we got a good deal. Yeah. I paid 14 dirham for 2 and it was good.
Yeah,
It was pretty good.
it's true.
Yeah, but we can't buy any of the other fish because I have nowhere to cook it, you know?
It's 3 days needed to cook fish for the
Yeah.
weather, it's windy.
Yeah, because it's
So
too
the
windy.
fish is not,
The best.
no, in this day it is not really fresh, you know?
Yes. So it's it's frozen maybe.
Yeah, sure.
Sure.
But you can see from the eyes of
yeah.
a fish that it is
It's
not.
not fresh.
But tomorrow it's a Friday,
Yeah.
and we will eat couscous.
Yes, and now it's
You
relaxed
know,
day.
the couscous? You
Yes.
know couscous?
Couscous is a salad.
Sorry?
It's like a salad vegetable.
It's a
Yeah.
national dish.
Yeah.
Because they need a lot of time to prepare it. Also now
Yeah.
in the supermarket in Europe, you found couscous pre-cooked,
Yes.
but this one is
Not pre-cooked.
and they need a lot of time.
Yeah.
So the Friday for the Muslim is a holiday,
couscous day.
and the women they cook couscous. So
Couscous.
tomorrow,
Everybody is cooking.
tomorrow couscous.
Couscous, quiet religious day.
Very good.
Yes, but we're in Essaouira. No, Essaouira it's called, right? Essaouira? Essaouira.
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 Right.
Yeah, see, I'm from Canada originally.
Ah.
Canada, and then I moved to Croatia 4 years ago.
Uh-huh.
And now we change the euro.
Which is from Canada you come, but probably you're from your family.
My family does. I'm
Yeah.
Croatian, that's why. I have a citizenship.
Croatian.
I got citizenship 2 days before I came to Morocco. So now...
So you're fresh.
Yeah.
Fresh from Canada.
Yeah, so now I'm Croatian now. New Croatian.
You're
No more
Europeo. Sometimes you say, oh, you are Europeo. No,
Yeah.
no, I'm not Europeo, I'm Italian. You are not Europeo, you are Croato.
Oh yeah, that's it.
We are
see?
different, we
Right.
are not the same.
We say Hrvati. Hrvatska. Hrvatska is Croatia.
Okay,
Yeah,
we
yeah,
play
yeah.
with the
Yeah.
two words.
Hrvatska is you know, like we say Italy, you guys say Italia, and we say Hrvatska for Croatia. So she was just telling me, that lady that we were eating oysters together, she was telling me this is a Portuguese colonized city. The walls were built by the Portuguese back in the day, along with like the whole coast of Africa. And there's a fish market in here where you can pick your fish and they'll fry it up right in front of you, fresh for you. And so I gotta try that. I gotta eat some fish while I'm here in Essaouira. And look at this beautiful view of the sea. Wow.